In this video, you'll see what makes the Dreame X40 Ultra stand out from other robot vacuums, its unique features, and how well it handles everyday cleaning tasks. Let's start with what sets this vacuum apart when it comes to mopping. It features two rotating rollers that press against the floor to collect dirt. While many robot vacuums struggle with hard-to-reach spots, like under cabinets or near the fridge, this one has a smart feature. The right roller and side brush extend outward when needed, allowing it to clean spots other vacuums can't reach. The robot automatically detects when it can't reach dirt using its standard path and activates this feature. For example, crumbs and spices often pile up under the dishwasher or fridge. The side brush reaches into those tight spaces, while the extended mop cleans the surface thoroughly. This also applies to furniture edges, where the side brush extends to clean corners you'd otherwise have to scrub manually. Around chair legs, the brush and roller wrap around to ensure no dirt is left behind. It's also smart with furniture that has gaps underneath, like a drawer unit. The robot rotates slightly to push the mop deeper under the surface for a more thorough clean. I also tested its edge detection on the second floor, where there's a spot by the window that's always covered in dust and debris. I didn't want to risk cleaning it myself, so I sent the robot. This could have been its final clean, but the Dreame X40 Ultra handled it perfectly, avoiding the edge and staying safe. One of its standout features is called Clean Genius, which uses an RGB camera to identify tough stains. When it detects a heavily soiled area, the robot lifts its side brush to avoid smearing the dirt and slows down to scrub the spot more thoroughly using its mops. This is a major improvement over other robots with AI cameras that often miss tough stains or spread dirt around the floor with their brushes. And unlike many vacuums, the X40 Ultra won't bring dirty brushes onto carpets. When transitioning to a carpet, it lifts both the side brush and mops, ensuring they don't touch the carpet surface. You can also customize its behavior, choosing to either avoid carpets altogether or clean carpets first before moving onto hard floors. If you choose the latter, the robot leaves the mops on the dock, vacuums all the carpets, and then returns to the base to attach the mops and refill with water before cleaning hard floors. This level of automation ensures your carpets stay dry, making it ideal for homes with lots of rugs. On carpets, the robot uses maximum suction power, up to 12,000 pascals, and still operates quietly. It's the quietest robot vacuum I've tested, even on max settings. For deep carpet cleaning, it can slow down and clean twice in different directions for a more thorough result. The rubber brush is designed to resist hair tangles, with most hair collecting on the sides for easy removal. If you have pets, you can upgrade to a brush with built-in blades that cut the hair, while the vacuum immediately suctions it away, leaving nothing tangled on the brush. With AI obstacle detection, the robot avoids cables, furniture, and even delicate items like vases. All recognized objects are displayed on the map in the app, so you can see exactly what the robot encountered during cleaning. It uses a flashlight to enhance visibility in low-light areas, ensuring it navigates safely and doesn't get stuck. During cleaning, the robot periodically returns to its dock to empty its dustbin and wash the mops. Dirt collects in a disposable bag at the base, which is easy to replace. The dock also includes a tank for cleaning solution, which it dilutes automatically and dispenses into the robot as needed. The mops are washed with hot water, up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, and dried for at least 2 hours to prevent bacterial growth. Even the dock's washboard is cleaned automatically, so you don't have to scrub it manually like with other robots. The dirty water is collected in a separate tank, which the app will remind you to empty. The app also notifies you when to refill the clean water tank, add detergent, or replace the dust bag. The level of customization this robot offers is unmatched. You can choose whether to vacuum and mop simultaneously, vacuum first and mop later, or adjust settings like water usage and mop wetness, with 32 levels of wetness to choose from. There's also a deep cleaning mode that uses more water and takes longer for a more thorough clean. You can customize the cleaning strategy for each floor and room in your house, such as increasing water usage and suction power in the kitchen and bathroom. The 3D map in the app is highly detailed, showing furniture placement, carpet locations, and floor types. The robot creates these maps on its own, but you can edit them, add no-go zones, or designate areas for specific tasks, like mopping under curtains. For homes with pets, you can mark areas like feeding stations or litter boxes, where the robot will clean more thoroughly while avoiding pee pads. It even has unique features like charging during off-peak electricity hours to save on power bills. Scheduling is simple, and you can set specific times, days, and rooms to clean. You can even set shortcuts, like cleaning under the dining table after meals, with just one tap. As you can see, the Dreame X40 Ultra is packed with features and is suitable for both small apartments and large multi-level homes. Its advanced automation and customization options truly set it apart. Check out the link in the description and let me know in the comments what you think about this robot.